Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manually open your Ford Fusion door. First, find the small, often concealed keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It might be under a cap or integrated subtly. Next, take your physical key, not just the fob, and insert it completely into this keyhole. Finally, give the key a firm turn clockwise. This action directly engages the lock, bypassing any electronic systems, allowing you to open the door. A common reason to use your physical key is when your Ford Fusion's car battery is completely dead. When the battery has no charge, your key fob won't work, and the electronic locking system is inactive. Fortunately, the manual keyhole is a mechanical backup. It allows you to directly engage the door's locking mechanism, providing reliable access to your vehicle even when all electronic systems are unresponsive. It's a crucial skill to know. Understanding how to manually open your Ford Fusion door is incredibly important for emergency access. Imagine a scenario where your key fob is lost, damaged, or simply not working, and you urgently need to get into your car. The physical key provides a fail-safe. It's a direct, mechanical link to your vehicle's entry system, ensuring you can always get inside, regardless of electronic failures or other unforeseen circumstances. Practice this to be prepared. Sometimes your key fob might simply malfunction, perhaps due to a dead internal battery or an electronic glitch. In such cases, the manual key is your reliable alternative for gaining entry to your Ford Fusion. If your fob isn't responding, try replacing its battery first. If that doesn't work, remember the manual method. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.